I created a Spider-Man web shooter, and I'm going to show you guys how to create it. These are the things you need to create a Spider-Man web shooter. First, a spring-loaded pen. And if you need, you could have a rubber band to hold it in your wrist. And then some thread. So now what you need to do is disassemble this pen. So these are the things that are going to be inside the pen: the pen cap, the refill, and then the hollow part, which you won't be certainly needing. So you only need these two parts of the pen. So then you take this spring, right? So you take it out. Hold on. So you take it out and then flip it, and then if you want, you could stretch it. Then take some glue with you and put the glue right here and stick the spring right over here. Then after sticking, you could put your pen where the spring is upside down into this hold. Now just into it like this, and then take your thread and tie it around up to here and to your rubber band, which you'll have in hand. So that's how you make a Spider-Man web shooter. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys made this Spider-Man web shooter, and I'll see you guys later in another video. Subscribe and like to my channel, and yeah, so I'll see you guys later in another video.